Beloved audience, now we are going to continue on the topic of the spiderweb cosmetic procedure. Actually, it's a non-surgical facelifting technique. And Dr. B will explain this to us. Good morning. Welcome.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Yes, we have been hearing about this spiderweb cosmetic procedure for 2 years. People don't prefer surgical facelifting techniques. If you want, tell us about that.
You have said it correctly. The spiderweb cosmetic procedure is a type of non-surgical facelifting technique. When you compare it to facelifting, it's not a technique. There are differences between the surgical and non-surgical techniques. Who is it for? Primarily those who don't need the surgery yet. Patients who are middle-aged and don't need us to do much. After a bit of the spiderweb cosmetic procedure, you will get the same results as if you've had the surgery. Some patients even get better results. How do you do it? What's the logic behind it? You make a web like a spider web. These threads dissolve. Patients shouldn't get this confused. This technique is not a thread-stretching technique. These threads dissolve within 6 months, but the purpose of them is to ensure the production of collagen by the body. This collagen production finishes within 6 months. After 6 months, when you compare before and after pictures, you can see a difference of between 3 and 5 years. Both the patient and their friends will see the difference. In order to have a better result, we fill the web with their own fat. After 6 months, the patient's face will look younger and smaller. This is very important. Why has the spiderweb cosmetic procedure become this popular? Because no one wants their facial expressions to change. If someone doesn't know how they've aged, they won't know how they've gotten younger. I explain the spiderweb cosmetic procedure to my patients. After 6 weeks, those that know you but haven't seen you in a while will definitely notice something different, but they won't be able to tell what it is.
Okay, if that's the case, since the spiderweb cosmetic procedure is non-surgical, it doesn't require anesthesia. Do you use anesthetic cream?
Yes, when the patient comes, we clean the skin and apply an anesthetic cream. This cream stays on the skin for about 40 to 45 minutes. Because of this, the patient doesn't feel pain.
How long does the process take?
The process takes around 1 hour.
Are other countries in Europe and America doing the spiderweb cosmetic procedure?
It's spreading out to the world, like a web.
Dr. B, thank you for coming on our program.
Thank you.